Hello, welcome back to Living the Leach Life. Today is Vlogmas day number 12, and I've got two important things going on today. I'm going to show you some pictures of a house that we found near the camp. Rob found it yesterday, and he sent me a whole bunch of pictures. And so I'm going to take you on a little tour. I'll do the best I can with the pictures that I have and the information that he has given me. And the other thing we're going to do today is use that ginormous beef roast that I got out of the freezer sometime last week. It has been thawing and thawing and thawing in the fridge. And yesterday I finally took it out and put it in the sink during the day, put it back in the freezer at night, don't worry. And I took it back out today, and now I am confident that it is completely thawed and ready to roast. It's gonna take a few hours because that baby is 8.5 pounds. Yeah, but if you are joining us for the first time for Vlogmas and you're like, this has nothing to do with Christmas, our Vlogmas is all about how we're getting ready to move to camp. So hang in there with us. It's really fun preparing to go to camp, serve God at a camp near Leavenworth in Central Washington. And our family is prepping. So that's what our Vlogmas is all about. I'm glad that you're joining us. Okay, so we're gonna tour the garage first. So this is the inside of the garage. I'm not sure how you get in there, if there's a man door for the inside of the garage or not, but it has a very nice garage door, and it's already got a garage door opener, so that's really cool. And then it does have an additional room on the side, and this is that room. It's also got a mother-in-law apartment in the garage. You go through the door right there, and this is the inside. There's the kitchen. It's got a little counter space. You go through the kitchen and into the laundry bathroom area. The bathroom has a stand-up shower. If instead you look under the stairs, there's a little table there, so that's the eating area. Then you can go up the stairs and into the loft area. In the loft area, there's like a living room. That's this area right here. And then there is a bedroom-ish area on the other side. So coming out of the mother-in-law apartment, you will see the door to the house. This is the door. You enter in to the kitchen. So this is what the kitchen looks like. That white door is where you would enter in. It's already got a refrigerator, stove, microwave, sink, no dishwasher, I'm told, but that's all right. I say I have 3 dishwashers. So if you come in that door and you go to your right instead, the left on the photo, this is what you see, this weird little hallway. And to the right of the hallway is this bedroom that we thought we would use for Jason. He's going to have the bunk beds and a big L-shaped desk, so we think this room would work out nicely for that. So another door in that hallway is this bathroom. It's a full bathroom with a nice bathtub, and it also has storage behind the door in a little corner closet. So coming out of the bathroom, turning right, going down this little hallway is the master bedroom. It is quite large. That's a king size bed. And it's got a little closet, and it also has a giant
closet right there that's got the washer and dryer in it. So leaving the master bedroom, you walk down this hallway and you come back out near the kitchen. Really, you're in the dining room area, and I don't have a very good shot of that. But the dining room has a spot for a bar and the table. And you turn around, this is what you see. This is the living room. So if you're in the dining room, this is what you see. Those windows face the back deck and the backyard. This is the living room. There's a nice wood stove and then stairs that go up to the loft. So once you're in the loft, there's an open space, and I'm turning to the left. All the way around the left is this little nook with the built-in bed and desk. We kind of think this might be Amelia's spot. On the opposite side of the loft is this area. We think it might be Gretchen's little spot. It's got a nice set of built-in bookshelves and a cute little nook area. To the side of the nook, if you turn around, you're going back out of the loft facing the downstairs. So going back down the stairs into the living room and then the dining room, if you go out the sliding glass door that's behind those vertical blinds, this is what you've got out there. There's the slider, and that's the back porch. So this is a view of the back of the house. And this is the view from that back porch. And there's a little gate that brings you out to the public field back there. And then this is a picture of the house from that field.
I think that the house is a great house for us, and it's a really nice size, and I just really like how it feels like cabiny. I don't know how to explain that, but I think that's pretty cool for where we're going to live. And I think that it will be a good home for us if we do decide to go there.
I'm really happy with having having a house, even if that one doesn't work out, because it makes me feel a lot more secure. With their move, and I really like the things that are there, and I think they're really cool. So.
It's at about 110 right now.
She's home. Wow.
Hi!
Thank you for cutting it up for me. Well, my friends, it has been a great day. I'm so glad Rob is home now. He came in, cut up the meat, we sat down, we had dinner, we talked about the house. Everyone is up for it, so we're going to go ahead and move forward with that. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching Vlogmas. Bye. Okay,
one addition. We have a P.O. box now near the camp that we're going to. And if you send us a Christmas card, we will send you a Christmas card. You can participate in our Christmas card exchange. Thanks, Summers in Alaska, for giving me this awesome idea. All right, so here is the P.O. box. It's kind of weird because they don't give you a number. They just give you your last name. So, Leach Family, P.O. Box Leach in Dryden, Washington, 98821.